Well, hello again everybody, and today's just a quick little video for all my friends on the MIG welding forum, because I've just been asking some questions about how to shrink fit a part onto another part. So what we've got today is we've got this bike wheel, and I'm not exactly what you call that. I mean, I think they actually call that a hub, but for the purpose of my little presentation, I'm going to call that the shaft, because although it's a bike hub, for me it's a shaft. And what we've got here, we've got a piece of round metal, a collar. I think it's part of the freewheeling mechanism. It does feel quite hard. It's a machined item. So the actual diameter of that shaft is 1 inch 505 thou. And what I want to do is I want to fit this chain sprocket onto it like that. And I guess the reality is maybe the easiest way to do it would be just to try to centre it and weld it on. But what I wanted to try and do was make, I'm going to call it a sandwich plate, an adapter plate, something which I could shrink fit onto this surface here. I could shrink fit a plate onto it, and then I could bolt this sprocket onto the piece of metal that I've shrunk fit. So that's what I'm trying to do. So let's just walk over to the lathe. So at the moment in the lathe I've machined something that's got a burr on it, but that's a good fit on there. I've left a little lip on it, but that will seat onto there, and then we'll put this on the milling machine and we'll drill a PCD and we'll bolt this to it. But this hole in the middle here, this is the part that I want to slip over the shaft on the bike. So what I'm trying to figure out is what's the nominal size that I need to make this to be able to heat it up, and then for it to shrink down when it cools down onto that shaft. So that's the information I'm trying to find at the moment. Let me just go and have a look at my piece of paper, because I can tell you what I've normally got it at. Yeah, so at the moment I've actually I've bored out this hub to 1 inch 480 thou. So we're about 25 thou under at the moment. Now I did have a look at some websites that showed a calculator, and they said to achieve something called an F2 fitting mild steel, effectively it was coming out almost size for size. And I don't know if that's correct or not. I think it was coming out saying that we need to make this we need to machine this out to I think it was something like 1503 for a fit on a 1504 shaft. It was something like that. It was pretty much size for size, and I've got no idea whether or not I'll be able to maintain a tolerance of 1 thou. So some advice on that would probably be a good idea as well, because my machining isn't great. So as I say, the purpose of this video was just to show my friends at the MIG welding forum what I'm playing with on my Sunday today. This will be part of a bigger video that I'm making, because I know some of the people who watch my channel like to see some of the mechanical projects as well as the mechanical things I play with. But if you haven't visited the MIG welding forum, look it up. It's really good for anybody who's into any kind of tinkering or welding or anything to do with metal bashing. There's all kinds of different information on there, lots of friendly people, and it's a really good place to hang out. So if you haven't visited the MIG welding forum, go and do it now. Alright, I'll see you all later. Thanks, bye bye.